Hello, friends and family, iTutor Group, Tutor ABC, fellow teachers. I am Cecilia here trying to show you how to cancel a session. Here, let's log in. This is the quickie video. Go ahead, under the Consultant tab, let's select Session Cancellation. Okay, go ahead, click Session Cancellation. On the tab Session Cancellation History, you can see how many sessions you have canceled in the past month. And if any of them are canceled within the hour, 1 to 4 hours, 4 to 24 hours, 1 to 3 days, 3 to 7 days, or you have 1+ week notice. Now let's select New Cancellation. Go ahead and type in the reason. I have to play, not have to. I am scheduled to play 2 services for the community. Thank you for your consideration. Consideration. Yes, have a nice day. There you go. And it's not the urgent ones, even though I have a frog in my throat and my son is coming down with a fever. I might get a bug. I'm not gonna select the latest session until I need it. Now let's select future, find a date, 23rd. I will pick 4:30 in the morning to 23rd. Again, the end time 6:30. So I'm blocking off a chunk of time there, and go ahead and submit, and that's it. Until next time, this is Teacher Miss Cecilia. Subscribe to my channel and check my playlist for other tutorials. Bye for now.